Kajala Megalaya HADUH Kashibaji no Paisingi Jong Shitarik Unailar Arja Arpo Kladan Life Langot Kibio Thamayo COVID-19 but Life Kandangot Kibla Koit no U Director KDHS MI Ulapinte Banakini Life Langot Kibio Thamai Arpinyo Kidene East Kazil District Hakaba Prangot Kidei Naka Armed Force Katsangut Nakiru Paitba Langot Kishipai BSF Uwe Shipai BSF the West Garo Hills District Langot Nariboy District but Mari Way na East Jainte Hills but West Khasi District Kilai Kandangut Kibla Koitpad Kidei Baro on East Khasi District Hakabalai Prangut Kideki BSF but Iwe Iriu Paitba The Kajingo Thamai Kini Kilai Pulangut Kajala Meglaya Haduh Pumi Yakanika Kubor Kadan Praspa San Pandrutali positive case Sanspa Kandai Kandaitali active case Aspa Sanpu Artali recovered case but Sanwood Kibla Klat no Nagini Sanspa Kandaitali active case Ka East Khasi District Kadan South Park Kandai Pandrutali Hakaba Arspa Hat Prangwood Kideki Shipai BSF Sanpusangwood Naka Armed Force but Arspa Arpusangwood Nakiriu Paitba Ka West Khasi Hills Kadan Santaligi active case Riboy District South Punrio West Jainte Hills Khat Sau East Jainte Hills Khandrio West Garo Hills Khandrio Southwest Garo Hills Sau Barka South Garo Hills Artali.
Out of this 33, East Khasi Hills 27. Out of this 27, 16 are others, 8 armed forces and 3 DSF. West Garo Hills 1, Riboy District 3, 2 armed forces and 1 other, East Jainte Hills 1 and West Khasi Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 599. East Khasi Hills 496. BSF 218. Others 224. Armed Forces 54. West Khasi Hills 5, Southwest Khasi Hills 0, Riboy 46, West Jainte Hills 14, East Jainte Hills 16, West Garo Hills 16, Southwest Garo Hills 4, South Garo Hills 2. The total number of recovered cases for the day is 39. 38 is BSF and 1 from the others. So that takes a total of 252 recovered cases till date. And total number of deaths till date as of today is still 5. The number of samples sent for testing is 37,728. Number of persons who tested negative 36,341. The number of test results awaited is approximately 531. The total number of entrants into the state as of today 2 p.m. is 24,344.